What's up, everybody? Back with another video with Seco Art and Design. Today we're going to be replacing our old swing gate, and we're going to be putting up a modern privacy sliding gate. It's going to be 8 feet tall, about 26 feet long. I built a few of these for other people, but this is going to be my first one for myself. We started off by pre-cutting all our 2-inch square tubing. Now we're just going to weld everything up, add our braces. We're adding bracing every 4 foot because the pieces of sheet metal we're using are 4 foot by 8 foot. We're using a 140 Hobart MIG welder to weld everything up. Now we're going to add our wheel boxes and our wheels. You should be able to find these at your local steel yard or anywhere that sells heavy duty gate hardware. Shouldn't be hard to find. Now this is the track we're using. This track was already preset, and I'm just going to show you the last little section we have to add. I had to weld it together, and we're going to drill through the concrete with a hammer drill and use self-tapping screws. Okay, this is what's called the V-guide. This replaces the typical halo you would use for a sliding gate, and it runs along a piece of angle iron that's welded to the top of the gate, so you get a tighter slide and you don't have a lot of movement. So now I'm just tacking it about every 6 inches. Alright, now we're going to add the sheets of sheet metal. This is 16 gauge hot roll steel, and I had to get my neighbors to come and help me. But we're tack welding it about every foot to every 6 inches behind it. Doesn't need a whole lot. Now we're just doing our last few welds on the back side. I chose to do smooth side facing in because either way you're going to have maximum security, so nobody can just jump it easily. And here we are. I shot this a few weeks later, so it started to rust, but nice color variation. Now we're going up the other side. Please like and subscribe and comment below what you think, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.